Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today, we're taking you inside a truly exceptional luxury residence, a home that blends timeless elegance, modern comfort, and refined design into one unforgettable living experience. This is not just a house. This is a lifestyle crafted for those who appreciate beauty, privacy, and architectural excellence. As we begin, take a moment to admire the stunning exterior, captured in a breathtaking drone day view. The home stands proudly on a private estate, surrounded by manicured landscaping and open space that immediately sets the tone for luxury. The exterior color palette of soft pink, elegant gray, and calming blue accents creates a sophisticated yet welcoming presence. From above, the symmetry, clean lines, and grand scale of the property reflect true mansion-level living. Now, let's move toward the grand entrance. As you approach, the impressive entryway welcomes you with architectural charm and refined detailing. The front door opens into a bright and airy foyer, where high ceilings and natural light create an immediate sense of space and grandeur. This entrance is designed to impress, while still feeling warm and inviting. From here, we step into the main living room. This space is all about comfort and style. Large windows frame beautiful outdoor views, while the soft pink, gray, and blue interior tones create a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Plush seating, elegant finishes, and carefully chosen decor make this the perfect place to relax or entertain guests. Next, we enter the TV lounge, a cozy yet sophisticated area designed for everyday living. Whether it's movie nights or quiet evenings, this room offers the perfect balance of comfort and modern luxury. Ambient lighting, stylish furniture, and a premium entertainment setup elevate the experience while maintaining a relaxed vibe. Now let's explore the heart of the home, the open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area. This space is designed for both functionality and beauty. The kitchen features sleek cabinetry, high-end appliances, and a spacious island that's perfect for casual dining or hosting. The pink, gray, and blue color palette continues here, adding elegance without overwhelming the space. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where a large dining table sits beneath soft lighting, creating an inviting setting for family meals or formal gatherings. The seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas makes this space ideal for modern living and entertaining. Moving on, we step into the bedrooms, beginning with the luxurious master suite. This room feels like a private retreat, offering generous space, soft lighting, and calming colors. Large windows bring in natural light, while the design focuses on comfort, privacy, and understated luxury. It's a place where you can truly unwind. The additional bedrooms are equally impressive, each thoughtfully designed with comfort and style in mind. These rooms are perfect for family members or guests, offering beautiful views, elegant finishes, and a peaceful atmosphere throughout. Now let's take a look at the bathrooms. These spa-inspired spaces feature premium materials, modern fixtures, and a clean, elegant design. From walk-in showers to luxurious bathtubs, every detail is crafted to provide relaxation and convenience. For those who value wellness, the home includes a private gym room. This modern fitness space is bright, well-equipped, and designed to keep you motivated without ever leaving home. There's also a charming indoor swing area, adding a unique and playful touch to the property. It's a perfect space for relaxation, reading, or simply enjoying a quiet moment. Outside, the home continues to impress with a beautiful swimming pool area. Surrounded by landscaping and open sky, this space is ideal for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying sunny days in total privacy. Finally, the garage offers ample space, modern storage solutions, and a clean, polished design, perfect for luxury vehicles and everyday convenience. This incredible home truly represents the lifestyle we showcase here on American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets comfort and design meets functionality. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let us know in the comments which part of the home was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour, only on American Dream Mansions.